welcome back, guys. So I got two of this egg. It's by Kinder Joy. One of them is Star Wars, and then this one is a Disney princess. So I'm going to unbox them. So I'm going to unbox this and then show you guys what kind of characters inside these eggs. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. Let's starting with this Star Wars first. Okay. What's this in here?
I just spoon.
Oh, spoon. Is it for you to eat?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's a different spoon.
So let's check it out with this one right here.
Again? Wait, no, it's a different one.
Who's this guy? Who's this guy? No, let me do it. I gotta do the unboxing. Let me show you this. What's this?
A guy.
Oh, I don't even know what this one is, but
Let me open
if the viewer knows, no, I gotta do it.
Do have face mask?
So this is the other one that I'm going to unveil. Check it out. Oh, it comes with a spoon again. Here, you take the spoon first for you to eat. Press. Megan, hold on. Let's see what's inside here. Oh, Cinderella. You got lucky. I gotta show it to my viewer. Hold on, I gotta put it together for you.
Video.
Ooh, it has a long, sexy leg. How you snap it in there? There you go. Here is your Cinderella. That's it. Here. Oh, you're supposed to put the skirt. Why you take it?
I'm not gonna take it.
That's why I didn't see it.
It'd be nice.
This is the dress. Sorry, guys. These kids are too excited to open.
Hey, it'd be this.
What?
Everybody. It'd be this guy.
Let me see. Here's
Here's
what it look like with the dress on.
I told you, do you want me?
Yeah, that's a skirt. Right? Right here, here. Now you're gonna eat it? What's the other side? Preston, I need to see the instruction. What are you doing? So yeah, that's how you put it. Become a dress like that. Let me show you character. Why you take it? So you put it on the stand. And what is this? Why are you coughing, boy?
Mine.
Right here. Your spoon? I didn't touch it. So where's this thing go?
My spoon.
Look at here. You touch it. Where'd you put it?
I have to eat. Okay, guys. Go from to my spoon.
Somebody take your spoon? Who take your spoon?
It was go from to my spoon.
So this one goes here. What's this? Oh, he took it? This one go in there. So what's okay. Ooh, what's that? Wow, look at this. How I'm show you the viewers. Look at this. You got two of the chocolate and then inside an eggshell. What is it called?
Chocolate.
It smell like vanilla or what is that?
Let me smell.
And this is the other one from the prince. Oh, so it is the same thing. So eat it with a spoon. Here, scoop it out and eat it.
Eraser. Eraser.
What?
It was yours in my room. No? Chocolate.
Alright guys, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. Alright, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video.
Bye.
As always, peace.